We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hey everyone, it's time for a Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong.
And I Joseph Lin Taikaho. And today, let's talk about shopping. You know why? I actually love shopping. Some people don't believe that, but I love shopping. And it's that season, there could be sales coming up too, and we never talk about shopping. So for all the women out there who love shopping, this episode is for you. 我们专门给喜欢购物、喜欢逛街的听众朋友们来教一些跟 shopping 有关系的一些词。
哇，on街啊
on街是不是？
逛街啊
on街就是 shopping 逛街的意思，是不是 ？OK， 你喜欢吗？
不会做对啦，很做对啦，
什么意思？
还可以啦，
还可以啊，
因为要罚钱呢。
又要罚钱了，花钱了，我记得。对，罚钱也是花钱啊，罚钱就是花钱。Okay, so when you go to a store, the first thing you would hear is "Welcome， 欢迎光临，
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 欢迎光臨，
歡迎光臨。Okay, that's welcome. Let's say you're in a shop and you just want to say, "Hey, I want to buy this." 我要買這個。
我要買兩個。
哦，好難啊。嗌。愛買
兩個，
愛買兩個。That means I want to buy that, okay, or buy this. I love buying clothes. So when you go buy a pair of jeans or a shirt, you want to try it on. You want to go into the fitting room. 買衣服一定要試穿。我可以試穿嗎？怎麼說？
我做的吃粽嘛。
吃粽。
還講吃粽試穿。
哦，那吃粽子怎麼說？
失蹤哎。
Oh, 失蹤. Okay, I just want to make sure that we're not saying the wrong thing. It sounds like eating rice dumplings again.
我做的吃粽嘛。吃粽嘛，
我可以試穿嗎？ Can I fit this on? Okay. And then finally, when you're going to pay, you want to drive a bargain. 要跟老板來殺價，可以算便宜一點嗎？
做的算便宜的位嘛。
哦，好難哦。算了，原價購買就好了。
哎呀，唔會啦。做的算。
做的算。
可以算。
可以算。Can you recalculate?
便宜的位嘛。
便宜的位嘛。
便宜一點嗎？
便宜一點。Okay, 便宜的位嘛。that means can you make this cheaper? 再講一次。
做的算便宜的位嘛。
做的算便宜的位嘛。這樣對不對？Oh, there you go. I hope I can get something cheap from Hakka villages all over Taiwan now because I know how to say that in Hakka. And that does it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼泰嘎？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.